In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around an image in Squarespace. Squarespace Text Wrap. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an image and have your paragraph flow neatly beside it, with a few quick design tweaks to make everything look polished. Start by opening your site and heading to the page where you want this layout. Enter editing mode by clicking Edit so the page becomes interactive. Hover where you want the content to go and choose Add Block, then pick Image. If your photo is already uploaded, choose Select from Library, pick the image you want, and click Add. You should now see the image block on the page. Before adding the text, let's quickly dial in the image design. Open the image settings and look for the design options. Use Fill if you want a consistent edge-to-edge crop that keeps your layout tidy. Switch to Fit if preserving the entire photo without cropping is more important. Next, adjust. Shape to match your brand style. Rounded corners or a circle can work beautifully for avatars and product shots, while a standard rectangle feels clean and modern. These small choices help your text and image combo feel intentional. Now add your copy. Click Add Block again and choose Text. Type or paste your paragraph into the text block. To create the wrap effect, position the text block so it sits directly alongside the image in the same row. Place it to the right of the image if you want the image on the left, or to the left if you prefer the image on the right. When the blocks are side by side, Squarespace lets the text flow beside the image naturally. Fine-tune the layout by adjusting spacing. You can resize the image block and the text column to find a comfortable balance. Typically, a slightly narrower image with a wider text area reads best. If the text feels cramped, give the image a little breathing room by nudging the column width. While you're here, glance back into the image settings to confirm your fill and shape choices still look good with the live text next to them. Preview your changes on desktop and mobile. On smaller screens, Squarespace usually stacks blocks, so make sure your copy still reads well when the image moves above the text. When everything looks clean and intentional, click Save to publish your changes. That's it. Your text now wraps around your image in Squarespace, creating a professional, magazine-style layout with just a few simple moves.